And places of worship are among those of the buildings that have been destroyed in the deadly wildfires, including several Catholic churches and schools. Corpus Christi Church in Pacific Palisades, that is, posted a photo right here of the burned out church frame that included the phrase, "I have no words." Local media report that the adjacent K-8 grade school suffered significant damage and that during the repairs, 150 plus students and more than 24 staff will be assigned to other schools. This is just one of several Catholic properties that have been damaged or destroyed. And for more now, we turn to Paul Escala, the Superintendent for Catholic Schools for the Archdiocese of Los Angeles. Paul, thank you so much for making the time for us, and please know that you all are in our prayers. First, tell us, how is the community doing? You've all been through so much.
Thank you, Tracy. Resilient, blessed. I was sharing with a colleague of mine just a moment ago after leaving one of our parish schools in Pasadena, and now here in the community of Sierra Madre, St. Rita's Parish School, that it's a juxtaposition between incredible loss and a human tragedy, coupled with incredible resilience, and inspirational hope and optimism, because our community is coming together in such a significant way. Catholic school community and parishes, not just here in Los Angeles, but throughout the state of California and across the country, are just overwhelmed with generosity and giving back so very much to our people, not just within the church, but across the Southland here. So it is a interesting dynamic that's playing out. As you can see behind me, the hills of the San Gabriel Mountains, which were just on fire just a few days ago. And now we have winds and clear skies, but the ash is still falling where I'm at right now, as we help to restore operations here at St. Rita's.
Yeah, and I know the danger is not over there in the Los Angeles area, especially with the winds picking up as well. Let's talk about the damage that we mentioned to Corpus Christi School out there in Pacific Palisades. Do you have any updates on that or any of the other schools?
Yes. In fact, this community of St. Monica's Parish in Santa Monica just celebrated an incredible liturgy yesterday afternoon on behalf of the Corpus Christi community. They had found the tabernacle. It is the only item left in the church that was completely decimated. And that tabernacle was present at the altar yesterday with the Holy Eucharist inside. So it was an incredible moment that we were so moved by. The school itself is closed. It did sustain damage, though miraculously most of the infrastructure is still in place. Unfortunately, we can't get access to it. The Los Angeles Police Department, along with state and federal law enforcement, got that area closed off and will likely be closed off until at least Thursday, so we can go back into that campus and retrieve records for students. We're in the process now of working with families and staff just to really find out where people are at. People have moved throughout the Southland and even beyond, and we got to try to bring our flock back and identify a new location for a bridge to ultimately coming back to home. But right now the focus is reestablishing communications with our families, getting our folks into a temporary location, and bringing some normalcy and routine back to the families and to the students who we serve.
Yeah, and that's so important. And Paul, thank you so much again for taking the time to give us this update. We're praying for all of you out there and know that we're behind you. Thank you again. God bless you.
Thank you.